Welcome to siliconhouse Rapid Action Course. In this session, we are going to learn about how to create new user. Log into your control panel, click Add New User under Account Manager. Supply the username of that user. Supply the email ID of that user. The password should be strong. It should be in the alphanumeric format and as well as it should contain uppercase and lowercase letters. Supply the domain name of that user. You can choose the package name from the user package option. Click submit. Now the user has been created successfully.